The future of artificial intelligence, AI. Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the future of artificial intelligence. AI has rapidly advanced in recent years, and its impact on society has been significant. Self-driving cars to intelligent virtual assistants, AI has already transformed our daily lives. But firstly, we can expect AI to continue to improve and become even more advanced. With the development of quantum computing and other cutting-edge technologies, AI will be able to process and analyze vast amounts of data even faster and more. Secondly, AI will increasingly become integrated into our daily lives. We can expect to see more AI-powered devices and services, such as smart homes, personal transportation systems. AI will also play a crucial challenge. Thirdly, the use of AI in the workplace will continue to grow. Many jobs will be augmented or replaced by AI, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. How about job displacement? And then fourthly, there will be continued debate and discussion around the ethics of AI. As AI becomes advanced and integrated into our lives, we must ensure that it is developed and used ethically and responsibly. This includes addressing issues such as bias in AI algorithms and ensuring used for the benefit of. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. As AI continues to advance, become more integrated into our lives, it will bring many opportunities and challenges. It is up to us to ensure that we use AI responsibly and for the greater good, while addressing the. Thank you for watching, and don't forget